How to sign out of Gmail app on Android phone. Hey guys, this is Lucy and today I'm here with a new video on how to remove your Gmail in your Android phone. So first you need to go to Gmail and click on the three lines in your top left corner. Scroll down until you find settings. Click on settings. Then you'll need to click on the three dots in the top right corner. Go to Manage Accounts, then click on the Gmail you want to remove. Go to Sync Account and click on Gmail, and it will refresh for a second. Then go back and click on Remove Account. Here it will ask you if you're sure, click on OK. Then your Gmail is removed. Restart the app and you will see you are not linked with any Gmail. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this video helped. Like and subscribe for more tutorials and I'll meet you guys in the next video.